Hi there, iced coffee people. Let's talk about a few different ways to get great iced coffee this summer or any time of year. The first step to achieving a delicious iced coffee is choosing the right beans. Look for high quality, freshly roasted coffee to get the best flavor. Make sure to grind your coffee just before brewing. This will help your finished product taste fresh and vibrant by preserving all the flavors locked inside the bean. There are a few different brewing methods for making iced coffee. You can use a pour-over dripper, cold brew system, or an espresso machine. Let's start with the first method and make an iced pour-over. The great thing about making a pour-over is that you have a lot of control over the brewing process. Today we're using a Hario V60 glass server, a Hario V60 dripper, and a Kaya Pearl scale and a Fellow EKG kettle. For our favorite recipe, you'll need 135 grams of ice, 30 grams of ground coffee, and 365 grams of water heated to 205 degrees Fahrenheit. Start by blooming the grounds with a small amount of hot water. Then pour the remaining hot water in a slow circular motion, allowing the coffee to steep and extract all the tasty compounds. Once done, pour over ice and enjoy. Cold brew is another popular and surprisingly easy method. A great product we'll be using today is the OXO Compact Cold Brew Coffee Maker. Combine 1 part coarsely ground coffee with 4 parts cold water. Then, simply let it steep in the refrigerator, ideally for at least 24 hours. Once done, strain the coffee and dilute your cold brew concentrate with water until it reaches your desired strength. You can also have it undiluted to really kickstart your day. Next is espresso. If you like your coffee concentrated and in your face, this method is the way to go. Simply brew a double shot of espresso with your preferred coffee and pour it over ice. Not in the mood for straight espresso? Add some water for an iced Americano. Any of these iced coffees go great with milk, cream, and sweeteners. This is a great time to get creative. And if you want to get really fancy, don't stop there. You could add a delicious garnish such as whipped cream or cocoa powder. Well, there you have it. Several ways to get a perfectly made iced coffee. Enjoy!